YouTube game. So, hold on. So, you won't be able to see me, you'll be able to see the slime. So, this is Jiggly Slime. It's this skull one, wait for it to focus. Come on, focus. And I only just bought it from the shop. The colour's amazing, but right now, it's not showing you the colour, but focus. It looks yellow, but it's not. I swear down, it's like sparkly. So I'm just getting it out. I swear down, guys, it's sparkly. It's just acting weird. Now it's jiggly, as you can see. Watch this. Jiggle. Oh, I think you can see the colour now. Can you see it? That's not the real colour. You can just see half of it, you know what I mean? But playing up the real colour in real life, you can see. It's absolutely gorgeous. Hold on. That's what it looks like. That's how it looks, really. For real life, you just can't really see the sparkles. It's like got really like metallic. It's perkable, but you can't see the perks after perking it. You have to push really hard if you want to get into it. I'm going to lick it. There, this is it. So here's one half, and here's the other. Now you guys have to decide which one's bigger, so I'm gonna let you guys see first. Hold on, that's a bit too easy. Let's start off with the starters, so which one's bigger? Okay, so we'll stop there. Now, if you wait for this one, you're wrong. It's this one. So, I'm just going to add it back together and do a harder one. So, let's add it back together. Sounds really watery, guys, this one. But it's not, even when you touch it, it's not watery. It's weird. It's like pretty like magic, you know what I mean? So, hold on. Now it's breaking a bit. So, we'll leave it sitting to back, it's fine. And I'll all that together. Hopefully. Right, so, here's the slime with you guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'm not going to end it yet, don't worry. I'm going to do that looking thing. You can see it on the cast. It is so hard. Now, it's not really like glue slime, so you can't really like roll it into a ball without it breaking. You know what I mean? Like that. Now, this is quite hard. Oh, no, wait. Now, they are the same for my angle. I mean, this look is quite big, look. Right, that's not how big it is. There, that's how big it is. And like this one. Wait, and like this one's the same. So you gotta guess which one's bigger. I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And if you chose this one, guys, you are correct. This one is smaller, as you can see, and this one is bigger. This one's bigger. Look, hold on. This one's bigger. Touch. Right, now I need to try to get this back in the tub bit by bit. So that's gonna be easy. It isn't if you've not broken it up. Oh yeah, guys, ready? Now this is gonna be called my. I wonder what slime's called. Guys, comment down below what slime I should call this. here's a slime. So there's the first slide. I have another slime somewhere. Is that on the pillow? So yeah, I don't want to say on the floor. So I hope you liked it, guys. And I'll see you in another video of slime. Now, before I go, I have done other videos of slime. I think I've done the pick and mix slime, the normal white slime. I don't think I did the normal white slime. But anyways, go check them out. And here is the last look of the skull slime. Let it focus. Oh, focus. Anyways, there's the slime. There's the pretty colour around it in the skull and out the skull. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in a video. Bye. Plus, don't forget. Peace out. Have a happy rocking holiday.